Hi, this is Jake Slingland. I'm going to go over creating art with a spot channel for a tabloid newspaper like Scarfff Comics. Okay, so I've got Photoshop open. Hey, so let's create a new file. Title it Scarff's Colored Demo. Got our dimensions in there. Our live area is 10.25 by 16. And I set the resolution to 1200. I can be as low as 3, but it's always easier to work backwards. Great. Okay, it looks good. It's on channels. Let's go to layer. I'm going to go ahead and unlock my background. Save some hassle. This is going to be where your line art lives. Label that real quick. As you can see, this is a gray channel, so good to go. On the previous screen, I had grayscale checked for the type of file. If I hadn't done that, an easy way to fix that is to go under Image Mode and then hit Right Now. I want to add my spot channel. So go ahead to Channels, go over to this little menu at the far right side here, call it hamburger menu, but click on that, go down to New Spot Channel. Click that, it'll open up. I've already got it set to Pantone Red U, which is the spot color we're using for Scarfff 8. The reason it has U by it is because it's uncoated. It's for uncoated paper, because we print on newsprint. There's a regular Pantone warm red without the U. That's for printing in like glossy magazines and on coated paper. I want my solidity to be up to 100. That way I have a full range of opacity essentially with that. Alright, and then so let's load the color. Go to your little color swatch here, just in case it wasn't already on warm red U. This is it brings up the color libraries menu. And you'll see it says book over here. That's because Pantone, they are kind of the industry. They produce a number of inks that are the industry standard. They have a few different to choose from. We want to make sure it's on Pantone Solid Uncoated. And luckily for us, Pantone Warm Red U is right up at the top, just from the top. Otherwise, it has kind of a clunky system to select them. You have to page through. You'll see these numbers. The first 3 numbers show you what family the color is in. Eventually you get to some with 4 digits, and the last digit says it's a variation of an earlier color. We don't have to mess with any of that. Let's go to Pantone Warm Red U. Make sure it's selected. Hit OK. Hit OK. If for some reason you didn't see your channels menu right there, let's go to Windows and make sure that channels is selected. Easy. OK. So let's add some art. You could scan some whatever inks, pencils, whatever you're working with for your particular image. So now let's add spot color. The things to keep in mind when adding a spot color to line art is that it will go over top of your gray layer, gray channel automatically. Another way to change this. And it can be okay. If this is the look you want, you're going to reproduce something like this when it's printed, and you'll have what's called a rich black. So your black will be a little warmer and mixed with the spot color that goes over top of it. That could be fine if you want that look. A lot of times though, I'm going to want to preserve my pure black and have the spot color there as an accent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my black line art. I'm going to do that by hitting Command and then pressing on the thumbnail for my gray channel, and that will basically select all of that. Then I'll go down to my spot channel and hit delete. Oh, whoops. First I want to invert it. And shift I, you can go to select, invert that, and then hit delete. That will delete it from over top of my line art. And as you'll see, you could re-add it places you want, or you could invert it again. And if you did this in the first place, you could just have selected it, and then that will protect your line art like a mask, essentially. You might draw or add in whatever you want with the spot channel. You could even grab, select, and paste grayscale images from other layers or channels into your spot color channel. So you can get as creative with that as you want, or you can be pretty straightforward. All right, that's that for creating art with a spot channel for a tablet like Scarfff Comics. Thanks a lot, and happy coloring.